Problem number 36. I just say draw some vector fields. I'm not telling you how many to fill in here. I'm just going to sketch the vector fields at some representative points and trust that you could do it for as many points as I ask you to. So F is the vector field x comma y. Okay, here, let's make some tick marks here. So F of 0, 0 is just the 0 vector. F of 1, comma 0 is the vector 1, comma 0. Okay, so that would look like that. F of 2, comma 0 would be the vector 2, 0. So that would look like that, but be twice as long. F of 0, 1 would be 0, 1. So look like that. Let's do like F of 1, 1 be the vector 1, 1. So it'd be look like that here. Okay, everything is just kind of emanating from the middle. So like F of negative 1, 1 is going to be negative 1, 1. Okay, everything is moving radially outward. F of negative 1 is negative 1, negative 1. I mean, at this point, we can see what the picture is going to look like. Stuff like that. Okay, that's part A. Part B, I didn't write up here. F is equal to negative y comma x here. Okay, so F of 0, 0, of course, is going to be 0, 0. F of 1, comma 0 is going to be 0, comma 1. Okay, so at the point 1, 0, only 1 unit in the positive y direction. F of 0, 1 is going to be negative 1, 0. So we're moving in the negative x direction. We can see how there's going to be some kind of rotation-like behavior going on here. F of negative 1, 0 will be 0, negative 1. F of 0, negative 1 will be, let's see here, 1, comma 0, like that. So we are rotating here. How about, let's just fill in some other points. F of 1, 1 would be negative 1, 1. So that would look like this here. And then it kind of things start looking like this when you keep filling in vectors. Okay, one more part to this, part C here. F is equal to x squared, comma 2y. So, okay, let's just do the same exact thing. F of 1, 0 is going to be 1 squared, 0. F of negative 1, 0 is also going to be negative 1 squared, 0. So at both 1, 0 and negative 1, 0, the answers are 1, 0. F of 0, 1 is going to be 0, 2. So this needs to go up all the way up there. So it's intentionally drawn longer than those vectors are. F of 1, 1 would be 1, 2. So like that. F of